Here the breaking news. Here the breaking news. Iyasika iMadlanga Commission. The head of IDEC, Miss Andrew Johnson. Remember, the head of IDEC, Miss Andrew Johnson, has written a letter to the president of South Africa, which is Cyril Ramaphosa, and also to NDPP, which is Advocate Mothiba, asking for the permission to be released with the immediate effect from her office. Remember, it comes after Andrew Johnson ebe-appearishe kwiMadlanga Commission last week, and then apho ufumanise khona there was a misconduct eyenzileyo whereby he leaked documents that concerned with Gerald Khan, and also whereby there was arrest engakho right ayenzeka isenziwa i-IDEC, whereby be-arresta khona uGeneral Khumalo, the head of intelligence, and other members that includes uBrigadier Mukwelo, whereby they suspect uba uMukwelo qualify for that position, and also Gerald Khan was not part of that process whereby kwaxeshwa khona uMukwelo. So there's a lot eyenzekayo. So ke inyanga ingenayo, Andrew Johnson ufuna ukuresigna, ufuna ukuquit, and remember by tomorrow 27th of this month July kufuneka ibekanti uyabuya again azotestifya uAndrew Johnson, uyabuya kwiMadlanga Commission. We don't know whether uzawufika ngomso or not, since sekuvele ileta efuna ukuresigna with immediate effect. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and please make sure you press that subscribe button, you press that like button, so that we can be informed. Thank you.